Is your Roblox running slow and causing frustration? You might be surprised to learn that clearing your cache can make a world of difference. Stay tuned to find out how. Roblox, known for its smooth gameplay, can sometimes slow down due to outdated temporary files. But don't worry, we've got you covered with simple steps to clear your cache. Let's start with Windows 11/10. Open the Start menu and type %appdata%. Navigate to the local folder, then Packages, and find the Roblox folder. Delete it to clear the cache. For Mac users, press Shift plus Command plus G, type ~library caches, and press Return. Select everything inside and move it to the bin. It's that easy. If you're playing Roblox on your smartphone, you might face similar issues. Let's see how to clear the cache on Android devices. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps App Management. Scroll down to Roblox, tap Storage Usage, and then Clear Cache. Simple and effective. For iOS users, while you can't clear the cache directly, you can offload the app. Go to Settings, General iPhone Storage, find Roblox, and select Offload App. Confirm and reinstall. After clearing the cache, your Roblox games should run smoothly without any lag. If issues persist, check out our guides on specific Roblox error codes. Worried about losing your game progress? Don't be! Clearing the cache won't affect your game data, as it's saved on your player profile. Remember, you don't need to clear the cache frequently. Only do it if you haven't in a while. Next time you launch Roblox, it might take a bit longer to load, but it's worth it for smoother gameplay.